Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints, and we are showcasing a brand new Performance Series color today. And because it's Performance Series, you're going to save a ton of time, a ton of energy, and a ton of money. We're talking about the new Sharkskin Grey color. It is clean, super aggressive, and I cannot wait to get it on our RS7. Enjoy the video. Guys, the car is complete and the color is perfect. Now, if you like really bright, really bold colors, we have a ton of options for you. But if you're like me and you gravitate more towards those stealthy, clean, aggressive colors, more in that grayscale, this is going to be perfect for you and it'll look good on almost any vehicle. If you want to do your own car in Sharkskin Grey, very simple. Click right up here. It'll bring you to the Sharkskin Grey car kits. And they include everything that you need, from the accessories, the sprayer if you need one, and the gallons. But if you have any questions at all, email us CustomerService@DipYourCar.com, call in and speak to a rep, or chat with us directly on the website. Let's go outside, check this car out. It's Fonzie. I'll see you on the next video.